Hello, my name is Genevieve Myers, and this is a video on how to make a hexahexaflexagon. To make a hexaflexagon, you're going to need paper, scissors, tape or glue, a pencil, a compass, a straight edge, and some sort of coloring utensils. To start making your flexagon, draw a straight line across a piece of paper. Then take your compass and make two marks, one off the line and one on. Move your needle to this first intersection between the line and this previously made curve. Then make 3 intersections from this point on. One behind, intersecting the curve off the line, another off the line to be intersected, and then another identifying where the compass should be placed next. It should look something like the one shown here. Next, take a ruler and draw a line right through all of the intersections off the line. Then, draw lines moving back and forth from the previously off-the-line intersections to the ones that are on the line. Equilateral triangles should start to form. Double check that all sides of your triangles are equal, and then count to make sure that there are 19 triangles in your flexagon. If there are more, just cross them out and do not include them. Cut it out and make sure it looks like the one shown here. Fold the triangles on top of one another in a back and forth motion. When it's done, it should look like a little spring. This ensures that the triangles can be seen from both sides, and it makes it easier to fold when it's being constructed. To start coloring, lay it so that the side with the most triangles is facing the bottom, and color it in the pattern of 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and so on, until all the triangles are colored, except leave room for the last one, because that is the space where you're going to put the glue or the tape on. Now the opposite side is a little bit different. Leave out the first space for glue, and then color it in the pattern of 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, and so on until all the triangles are colored. When it is done, it should look something similar to this. To start construction of your hexahexaflexagon, you're going to want to start by folding in your 4s onto your 4s, your 5s onto your 5s, and your 6s onto your 6s. So for example, you're going to fold your 4 onto its adjacent 4 triangle, 6 onto its adjacent 6, and 5s onto its adjacent 5s. It should start to look like it's coiling around itself until you can't see any of the 4, 5s, or 6s, and you can only see sides 1, 2, and 3. Fold your flexagon so that you can see all 6 triangles of one side. When you put it together, it should start to form a hexagon shape, and the glue sides should be next to each other so that when they're put together, you can see your finished hexahexaflexagon. First, to fold your flexagon, you're going to want to push together to the sides while pushing in the opposite side, so that you're left with it in thirds. Then pull in from the middle, and you should get the new side. To find all 6 sides, you're going to want to keep folding with the same vertice, unless you can't fold anymore. And you're going to want to switch to one vertice up. And you're going to want to keep doing this until you cycle into finding all the different 6 sides. And just like that, you've successfully created your hexaflexagon and found all 6 sides. Thank you for watching.